nakakamiss naman talaga ang mga fiesta sa atin. We may not experience them physically, but we can at least enjoy the taste wherever we are. Luto tayo ng ulam na di nawawala sa fiestahan, ang pork menudo. I started by marinating our pork liver with lemon and 3/4 cup of soy sauce. Next, we start frying our potatoes and carrot. I used 2 medium-sized of potatoes and 1 medium-sized carrot. Ipa-fry lang natin to hanggang maluto and then itatabi. In the same pan, we will saute our onion and garlic, and then we add in 1 tablespoon of atsuete powder. In the same pan, piprituhin natin yung ating half kilo of sliced pork belly. Pag medyo naprito na yung ating pork belly, we add in our sauce, which is yung pinang-marinate natin ng pork liver. We just make sure na walang masasamang pork liver pag pinor natin yung sauce. I added in 1 cup of water also para mapalambot natin yung ating pork. And I simmered it for about 20 to 30 minutes until tender. Pag tender na yung ating pork, pwede na nating i-add yung ating 1 cup of tomato sauce. And then we add in our red TJ hot dogs, of course. 1 tablespoon of sugar. At ibabalik natin yung ating patatas at carrot. Depending on your preference, you can also add in green peas or quail eggs. But I want to keep mine as simple as possible. I added in a little bit of water pa since nakikita kong medyo nagdadry yung ating menudo. Again, you can taste it at this time. Depending on your preference, you can add in salt and pepper. Huli nating ilalagay yung ating pork liver dahil madali lang tong maluto. It will be cooked in about 5 to 10 minutes. So, isimmer lang natin and i-stir occasionally. And kung happy na tayo sa taste, pwede na natin tong ihain. I wish you can smell this dahil nangangamoy fiesta na talaga. Tara, kain